Heleina's world.
Meep.
Hi guys, today we're going to be playing cash register and unboxing new items. Right, Heleina? So, we've got this money. Can you hold it? Can you hold it, please? Mystery money cash register. Can you see this?
Yeah.
Mystery money cash register.
It's real money.
This money.
It has a lot of money.
Yeah, they're just fake money. It says solve money problems and check your answers using the secret decker window. Okay, it's mystery money. Let's put it in the side. And we've got the less stress. It's just a book to help you chill. And we've got this. And we've got this squishy ice cream squishy. It includes with that book less stress. It's nice squishy. Let's put it in the side.
Okay.
Put it in the side, please, Heleina. Heleina, I've got a very special surprise.
What is it?
And we've got. Are you excited?
What
A cash register.
That's so ginormous.
Ginormous.
Yeah, ginormous. Look at it big. So big.
We've got the button,
That's a big.
and we've got the thing that scrolls there, and it also works. You could, you can add, adding, subtract, and also multiplication, division, and equals number. Yeah. So, I think it includes with the money. When you press this cash button, you put the stuff inside.
It's a cat.
And
What else?
we've got the microphone.
Talk to somebody.
Microphone for the, stuff. And we've got this total.
Yeah. How does it
This
go?
one, you turn this,
And you need to see what's
and this
on
is the scale.
the scale.
And this is where you put your credit card here. You swipe it. Put it back, please. In the back, Trin, do you want to start first? We're going to start with the mystery money.
Yeah.
So, do your magic. Okay, we've got the mystery money.
Let's try to open it.
Whoa, what is that?
Can I put your cash register?
Yeah, it's just pretend, but we've got real cash register right there.
Let's open this.
We've got the real cash register there.
Can we cut it?
No, you don't need to cut it. Ooh, what is this? Oh, what is this? Oh, you do stuff. Ooh, there's a red thing, guys.
What is that?
Want to open and see?
Yeah.
Whoa, look at the money, guys.
Whoa.
We've got the money.
Yeah. Coins.
Got coins. Got a coin package.
Yeah.
And we've got the activity guide.
Also.
And we've got some cash.
Yeah, some chaos.
Got 5 and 10.
That's so good.
Is there anything more else?
Nope.
Let's put this aside. That's nice.
We could take it back to drawer.
What's this?
Some storage.
Nothing? Okay.
Just storage.
Okay, we're gonna put the box back. Let's put it just on the side. And over there. And can I see the book? The book, Less Stress. This is a book. Less Stress. Tips gonna help you chill. And it comes with a squishy, ice cream squishy. It's really squishy, guys.
Yes, it's really
Squish it.
fast.
Yeah. And it comes with a book. Less Stress. Tips and tools to help you chill. There's popsicles here. Stars. So how do you like the cash register so far?
It's good.
So are you ready to do playing?
Yeah, it's good.
Okay, let's start. This is what our cash register looks like. We've done all the arranging. And we're gonna turn it on. And we're gonna see what's the inside. Whoa, look at this, Heleina.
That's for my queen.
Yeah. We've got a penny.
Oh, we got another.
We've got 1 cent. And we've got 25 cents. Is there anything else?
There's too many old.
We've got 10 cents.
Let's make a fun.
And we've also got some $5. We've got 10 cents. We've got 5 cents. We've got $5. And there's something in here. And we've got $10. Do you like this cash register, Heleina?
Yeah.
It's fun, right?
Yeah.
Let's put it back and let's start playing. Are you excited?
Yeah.
Here she comes. Ooh, look at this store. What is the store name? What? Okay, this is a nice store. I think I'm going to go buy something. What thing should I buy? Ooh, there's ice cream in here. So cool. Oh, what happened? Why did it break? Look at this, it broke. This can be my cup full of marshmallows. And this is my ice cream. It is amazing. I like this squishy. Squishy. I want to buy this one. Ooh, there's nice books. I see some fluffy stuff. I like this fluff. I like fluffy stuff. Fluffy stuff is my favorite. Ooh, we've got some nice toy cars in here. I think I'm gonna buy this car. Look at those fluffy. Which one should I buy? I wanna buy the pineapple one. Pineapple pen. Ding ding ding. Okay. I think I want to buy some sweets. Like this yummy brownie. Okay, I've got a lot of stuff. It's time to pay. Oh, hi.
Hi.
Oh, here are my stuff. Oh, I thought you have to put it here.
Oh yeah.
Put it here. Got the voice thing. This is my card. Oh, it goes like this. There you go. And cupcake plus the cup. Yeah, and then we also.
Only $25.
Okay. Oopsie, I forgot my money.
I'll give you one instead. And then you
Ooh, look at those money. Can I have cash? Okay, I have 10 money. Look at this money, guys. $10. Here's your $10. I need change. Ooh, how many did I have? We've got 5 cents. And we've got another 5 cents and 5 cents. 5 plus 5 plus 5 equals 15. Yay! I love your store so much. Thank you.
come back next time.
Oh, I need my stuff.
Oh. Which bag?
It's okay, I'll just hold it. All the stuff. Got this squishy. We've got this cupcake squishy.
Next time.
Brownie,
Next time.
pineapple, and this nice
That
car.
is heavy.
I'm gonna go back home. Oh, there's another customer that's coming. She's right over there. Princess Twilight. I love this place. What should I buy? I think I'm going to go find some stuff. Oh, okay. I think I need to buy like have $5. I need $5 in the cash. It's right here. $5. Okay. Okay, I have $10. I need to find something that is worth $10. There's something on announcements. What happened? Ooh, we've got a new customer. It's Princess Twilight, Heleina. Are you excited?
Yeah.
Princess is coming. Ooh, look at this store. I like your new store, Heleina. What is it called?
TV store.
Wow, I like that name. I also got my new puppy.
What's that name?
I don't know. I named her Lulu. Okay, I'm going to go find a toy for my puppy. Ooh, what's that over there? There's some nice toys. Ooh, I like this book. Stress less. Tips and tools to help you chill. I like the popsicle there. Oh, oopsie, I forgot my bag at home. Let's check if we can find a bag. Oh, there's a free bag in here, guys. Let's put it there. And find some more toys. Ooh, look at this Hello Kitty fan. I think I'm going to try it out. Whoa, what's that? That's awesome! Oh, look, this fan opens. When I'm getting hot, it makes me warm. I think I'm gonna buy it. How many does this cost, Heleina?
It'd be $10.
Ooh, that's expensive, but I'm still gonna buy it. Look at that computer. It looks awesome. Oh, it's a heavy one too. This is awesome. Let's check in the inside. How do you open it? I know how to open it. What happened in here? Oh yeah, there's tape inside. You can't open it. Let's put it here. Let's buy that next time. That looks expensive. Ooh, what is that?
A toothbrush and a toothpaste.
Well, that's nice. Ooh, there's some desserts in here. Well, look at these desserts, guys. They look tasty. Which one should I buy? This one looks really yummy. Whipped cream. Let's put it inside here. Put it inside here. So far, we've got 3 items. Ooh, let's buy something for my cute puppy.
You brush your teeth.
Oh, thank you. I brushed my teeth this morning. Ooh, look at the Toozy section. Ooh, look at the Toozy, guys. That looks cool. Oh no, you can't buy them. They're on display. Poor me. I can't buy it. Okay, now let's go find something what my puppy likes. Woof woof. What do you want? Woof woof. That fluffy thing? Over there? That looks cool. Let's try to buy it. Oh, it's only 5 cents. Even has googly eyes. Let's buy it, guys. Is that what all you want? Roof, roof. Okay, let's go pay now. Hi, Heleina.
That's all you have?
Oof. Yeah, that's all I have.
Over here?
Okay, now can you pay it?
Just too big. This is like this.
I'm so excited. I need to also press the buttons. How many will they cost?
They're gonna cost for $21.
What?
$21.
Okay, let's check my wallet, guys. This is what my wallet looks in the inside. Let's count how many money we have. We've got this $20 credit card. And let's check my cash. We've got 10.
Okay.
Let's count by tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, and we've got a 5 one. We've got 3 5s, so we can add them together. That makes 10. So we've got 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and we've got only just a 5, so it's $55. And we've got this $1. Oh, this is $2. $55. That means $57. And we've got this 25 cents and 5 cents and this 10 cents.
You can pay a credit card.
25 plus 5 equals 30.
Okay, now we're gonna pay.
And that makes 40.
Now we're gonna pay.
$57 and 30 cents. Right, Heleina?
Yeah,
So what was the cost again?
If you turn $1.
How many money does it cost again?
$31.
$31?
Credit card.
We get to have we got all the money. Here's your money.
And you gonna pay a credit card?
No, I'll pay with cash.
Okay, cash and money.
Coins.
Penny. Now you have a credit card left now.
Whoa, that's a lot. Make it, arrange it nicely. I need my change. Whoa, that is a lot of money. Lots of tens there. Let's count them all together. We've got 10, 20. We've got 10, 20, 30, and there's 2 5s. That makes 40. $40 aren't my change. Thank you so much, Heleina.
Bye-bye.
Oh, I forgot to put the money in my wallet.
Okay.
I don't want to lose all my money, right, Heleina?
Yeah.
Let's close this so not to lose it.
Now you can go back home now.
Put it in my things.
Okay.
Thank you so much. My daughter's going to be really happy. I need my stuff in my bag. I need my stuff in all my bag. That's it. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Okay.
We've got a great job. We have like a lot of customers.
Yeah.
How many customers we had?
We have 2 customers.
Yeah, 2 customers. Hope you enjoy our video, guys.
Bye-bye.
Look in the camera.
Bye,
Bye, guys.
Hope you enjoy for watching. Bye, guys. Click the button and subscribe for more videos. Bye.